There's a saying that goes, if the children are bouncing off the walls, then take away the walls. At Naturally Gathered, this is what we practice. Our occupational therapy and nature groups provide children with an environment and opportunities where they can perform at their best and take on new challenges whilst having fun.
Some more!
You want a hand or are you working it out?
Here, children are supported to develop new skills and capacities, but perhaps more importantly, they can experience a sense of belonging, connection, and self-worth. It's all of these things that they will take with them in their journey and support them to participate and engage in other environments outside of our sessions, now and beyond. To register or for more information, please visit naturallygathered.com.au.